I was always kind of extroverted and I liked chatting with people and stuff like that. So I'm really glad that I chose to go to Delta first. And I feel like this is like forming me into like a better version of myself. I started working in the president's office at the beginning of the fall semester. And everyone is super welcoming, which I think is really fun because I get to like know a lot of people who like, I'll see their names on different Delta things like during my classes, and then I can like put a face to the name. And it's just a really good like community overall, and people are just super welcoming. So I only was working near Dr. Gavin for the first semester before he left. So I think they kind of wanted someone who's like been around like the president's office and like kind of seen a few things that they do, just so that I'm a little more comfortable with like the role, I guess, that they play. He just made sure everyone knew they belonged at Delta, and it's really important that Delta has such a wide variety of people on the presidential search, like students, but like they want people to know like everyone's views matter on the new president. Like it's not like a certain group of people are picking like who would be on the presidential search. I would say I was a little overwhelmed going from high school to college just because I'm one of those people who I really like getting really good grades and everything like that. So like being able to transfer that to college, like obviously grades are important, but also like being able to like have time for yourself too is also important. So I think going to the student leadership club and talking with Allison throughout like my first semester really helped me because she kind of helped me like set up good habits of like keeping like time for myself instead of putting it all into school. I'm going to Northwood for 1 year after my 3-in-1 with Delta Northwood. So I feel like Delta's setting me up to be good at like networking myself, and I feel like that'll help me make good friends at Northwood and like get to know the faculty there too.